The drone technologies has proven to be one of the most dominating technologies of fourth international industrial revolution. Over the past few years, drones have become central to the function of various businesses and governmental organizations and have managed to pass through areas where certain industries were either stagnant or lagging behind. From quick deliveries at rush hour to scanning an unreachable military base, drones are proving to be extremely beneficial in places where man can't reach and unable to perform it a timely and efficient manner. Unmanned aerial vehicle is a system which can be operated without the pilot. It can be remotely piloted or programmed and also autonomous. UAVs are used in various applications, for example, in agriculture, photography, or if you want to calculate, if you are designing a weather forecast measuring satellite, then you can also use UAVs. So basically, we can say that UAVs have a vast area of application, and nowadays we are trying to purchase everything online. So to avoid the rushes and to deliver our products safely within the time limit, so I think UAV is a biggest and bestest option for everyone. Nowadays, Zomato and Swiggy, these are the top online companies which is being used for the food delivery and we can say that used in delivery processes. So they are also working on drone system. In case if you need medicine, like we are facing with COVID-19 pandemic situation and we have to purchase some medicine, then also by the help of UAVs the delivery of medicine can also be very easy. The category of UAV of great interest is termed as fixed wing UAV and due to its greater energy efficiency in performing medium and long range missions and the ability to carry payloads. Most common fixed wing UAVs having single motor and this is focused on the different applications. So to keep all the points in mind with a fast growing sector of UAV, India is estimated to develop a multi-billion industry for drones in the next decades. So nowadays it's very important to design a drone for startup as well as for project. So if you are enthusiastic and you want to design your own drone, then you can continue this lecture. So welcome to this course, Design and Fabrication of Fixed Wing for Air and Underwater Environment. Basically we can say that this course is dedicated for both type of applications, like if you want to fly your drone in air as well as in underwater conditions, then by the help of this course you will be able to design your drone for both the conditions. Welcome to Raptor Global Technology. I am Pooja Singh, Assistant Professor in Aeronautical Department. Through this course, I will guide you a complete designing and step-by-step procedure for calculation as well as I will also design and will try to provide you a step-by-step guide to design our own drone in CATIA software with the installation process also. So if we will talk about the objective of this course, then we can say that after the end of this course you will be able to accomplish a conceptual design to fabricate a drone, or you can say that to fabricate your conceptual design in a physical world, and also you will be able to analyze and study the transitional properties of the aircraft and its interaction with air and water. With all these things, to fabricate a control system comprises of single motor and a propeller combination for propulsion in both domains and aerodynamic, hydrodynamic control surfaces. So we can say that this course is a specified course for drone designing. So in this course, you will also be able to complete the idea about designing, testing and characterization of drones. So this course is basically divided into 6 modules. In module 1, we will cover the basic introduction portion of drone. Basically, we have a lot of queries like if we will talk about UAV, then few unknowns names are there like UAV, drone, quadcopter, and many more things. So we have a lot of confusion. So in introduction portion, or we can say that in module 1, we will discuss the introduction including specification, classification, history, and all about the drones. Module 2 will cover the basic aerodynamic concept, because if you are talking about drone or you are talking about UAV, then the full form of UAV is Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. So if we are working or moving in aerial system, then we have to know and we have a must idea about aerodynamics. So in module 2, we will discuss few aerodynamic concepts. Module 3 is totally based on the complete detail of UAV part related to electric motor, propeller, speed controller, GPS, flight controller, and transmitter, receiver, and many more things. So in module 3, we will discuss the various types of all the components and with their benefit, uses, and also their cost estimation. Module 4 is totally based on the design parameter. In here, we will calculate the airfoil selection parameter, wing geometry, and everything required for drone designing. Module 5 is totally based on the CATIA software, because in module 4 we have already calculated the data, estimated data. So by the help of that data, we will be able to draw our design in CATIA. In module 5, I will discuss the top key features of CATIA, which will play a very vital role to design your drone, because CATIA is a great software to design a 3D, and also we will analyze our project in NCs. So in last module, that is module number 6, we will discuss some safety tips including safety measurement and controlling. So overall, we can say that this course will be a great course, because when I was doing my BTech, then I have a lot of queries, and even I was much interested in drone designing. So I searched a lot, but I got nothing. I mean, I was not able to design my own drone. So because I searched on Coursera, edX, Udemy, and every platform, but I was not able to find such a great platform through which I can design my own drone. So that's why I have decided that I will also provide it on YouTube. So that's why. So let's start with the course, and I hope you will enjoy every lectures of this course. Also, after the completion of this course, you will design your own drone, and you can also if you are trying to do your startup related to drone companies, and then it will be very easy for you, because in module 2 we will also discuss about the material used in drone designing. But if you know about CATIA software, then you have the idea that in CATIA we can select any material which is required, and by the help of NCs we can calculate the stress and every force which is acting on drone. So I am very excited to introduce this course and to share this course with all of you. So this course will play a vital role in your life, but if you are interested in drone sector, and I think you should have to take the interest, just because of nowadays this industry is very growing industry, and the government is also prepared to fund a lot about in drone sectors. So yes, we are youngsters and we have the capability and we have the capacity to design our own drone, then we can really start up. But before that, I am highly appreciable to you all, because if you are here and you are watching my lectures, then I think ki you are really interested, and you have the courage, you have the enthusiasm to do many more extra things. I mean, if I will talk about in single word, then we can say that you are extraordinary people. Then you are watching my videos. Okay. So thanks a lot. We will meet in module one. So if you are new on our channel, then please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks. Tata.